In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark all unread emails as read in Proton Mail. If you're like many of us, you might have a cluttered inbox with numerous unread messages that just keep piling up. This can be overwhelming, but don't worry, we're going to take care of it step by step. First, let's head over to Proton Mail. Open your web browser and type in the Proton Mail URL, or simply click on the link if you're already familiar with it. Once you're there, log into your account with your credentials. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, make sure to complete that step as well. Now that you're in your inbox, take a moment to scan through and familiarize yourself with the layout. What we're looking for next is the checkbox option that allows you to select all messages. This is usually located at the top of your email list. Once you click on this checkbox, all the emails in your visible inbox will be selected. Proton Mail makes it pretty straightforward, so you should see everything highlighted, indicating that they're all selected. But here's a handy tip. If you have multiple pages of emails, this selection will only apply to the current page. Unfortunately, Proton Mail doesn't allow you to select all emails across multiple pages directly, so you might have to repeat this process for each page if you have unread messages scattered throughout. Once you have your emails selected, look for the Mark as Read icon. In Proton Mail, this icon often looks like an open envelope or is labeled appropriately. It's usually positioned near the top alongside other email management options. Click on it and, just like that, all your selected unread messages will be marked as read. And there you have it. Your inbox should now reflect the changes, with unread messages showing as read. Take a moment to navigate through the rest of your inbox and repeat the process if necessary for any additional pages. This method is a great way to declutter your inbox quickly and efficiently. It helps in maintaining a clean and organized email space, allowing you to focus on the messages that really matter. Remember, keeping up with your emails regularly can prevent them from becoming overwhelming in the first place. Thanks for following along. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might benefit from a tidier inbox. And if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comment section below. Happy emailing!